Hello friends. Welcome once again on my YouTube channel. If you are electronic lover or electronic hobbyist, you are laying on right channel that will ignite your passion for electronics technology. Today I will share with you a unique DIY project, which is our Arduino Pico board. This programmer was fabricated with 2-layer copper-clad board. Visit my channel to find a video which will guide you step-by-step process to make double-layer PCB at home. Take breadboard, place 15 LEDs with common negative configuration and then connect all 15 LEDs starting from 1 to 15 with this tiny guide. Connect positive supply for this board and then connect negative supply. We will power up this circuit by this DIY switching regulator. A detailed video is also present on my channel in which I show how to make this regulator. Plug this switching regulator on the breadboard to power up the Pico board. Now I connect this Pico board to Arduino for program. After this video, visit my channel for a lot of unique and creative stuff. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for conning videos. Attach this homemade programmer on Arduino and then connect both boards with 6-pin ISP cable. Now connect 7.2 volt battery with circuit. A yellow LED is blinking after 3 seconds. Now I will start to write a very easy and simple program to blink the 15 LEDs in very beautiful and attractive pattern from LED 1 to LED 15. Create all LEDs variables 1 to 15. This is pin configuration of Arduino 2313 microcontroller. And then assign pin numbers to variables. You can find the code in description. I will make many projects by this Pico board, like different LEDs patterns, interfacing a lot of sensors, communication with Bluetooth board, interfacing of RF modules, connecting LCD, interfacing of keyboard and many more things. Visit my channel for a lot of unique and creative stuff. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for coming videos.